The Northern Region of Malawi, population 1,698,502, 2008, covers an area of 26,931 square kilometers. Its capital city is Mzuzu. The northern region borders Zambia to the west, Tanzania to the north, Lake Malawi to the east, and Malawi's central region to its south. Northern districts. Of the 27 districts in Malawi, 6 of them are located within the northern region: Chitipa, Karonga, Likoma, Mzimba, Nkatabe, Ramfi. Major cities. Prominent townships and or cities in the northern region include Ekwindeni City, Mzimba District; Karonga City, Karonga District; Mzimba City, Mzimba District; Mzuzu City, which is also the capital city of Mzimba District; Ramfi City, Ramfi District; Nkatabe City, Nkatabe District. Northern Islands. The northern region is also the location of Likoma District, where both Chisimulu Island and Likoma Island are located. Mines. Kanyuka Mine,